I tell you, every human being has to spend little time in experiencing higher consciousness, especially before entering into the life, before 21. Even incarnations. See the life of Parasurama. See the life of Sri Krishna. See the life of Rama. Rama goes to Vasishta and learns Yoga Vasishtam. Parasurama goes to Dattatreya and learns the science of enlightenment. Krishna goes to Shantipa, learns the science of enlightenment. We have an unfortunate misunderstanding and fear. If our kids go to Gurukul and learn the science of enlightenment, they may just become sannyasis, move out of life. No. Krishna did not move out of life. Rama did not move out of life. Parasurama did not move out of life. Parasurama was killing people left and right. Rama was ruling the country. And what all Krishna did, you know. None of them became sannyasis. Gurukul is not a place where you are asked to move out of life. You are sharpened, prepared to move into the life. To catch your prarabdha. Understand this small story. One person had his computer loaded with various softwares. Photoshop, Windows, so many. He locked his house and went away for a trip. Came back after 2 years. Unfortunately, he forgot what all the software he has in his computer. He got his computer back, but he doesn't know what all the softwares he has downloaded. He is trying to do different activities which he can't do the software which he has already downloaded. If he is trying to do a different activity other than the softwares available, he will never be successful. He can break his head and break his computer, break his keyboard, break his hard disk, break his motherboard, break his computer table, break the house itself. But he can't be successful. You need to know, he needs to remember the softwares available in his computer. Only then he can do whatever activities he wants to. Only then he can even plan to download the softwares which he does not have. I tell you, your body is your computer. Your long trip is your death and new birth. Your softwares are prarabdha. If you don't know your prarabdha, you can neither achieve nor plan for your further future. You may be trying so many things, nothing works out. I tell you, without the knowledge of prarabdha, anything you try will never work out Sometime it may work out like an accident, not as a fulfillment. So learning the science of the softwares available and learning to download the softwares from the internet, learning to upgrade yourself is what is usually done in Gurukuls. When you come back from the long trip, first your Guru does, making you understand your prarabdha, the softwares which already exist in your computer. Then teaching you the science of downloading new softwares required to fulfill your life. If you want to do something new, then next, upgrading your old softwares. Then finally, supporting you to fulfill your prarabdha. Just like Buddhism, in Buddhism, it is mandatory every human being goes through science of enlightenment before he enters regular life. Same way, every child should go through the science of enlightenment in Hinduism also before he enters the regular life. We need Gurukuls in every village. We need Gurukuls in every city. We need Gurukuls in every taluk, teaching the science of enlightenment, teaching the truths of enlightenment. When one has restrained the thought patterns and is free from the longing for all the desires and remains absorbed in oneself, then he is experiencing higher consciousness. Every child should go through this. Every child should go through. It is very unfortunate when people go against their prarabdha and destroy their life. If you understand these great truths in the very young age, you don't even need a master physically. Your own intuition will be so vibrant and alive.
Paramahamsa Nityananda, a rare living incarnation, is named among the world's 100 most spiritually influential personalities today. Paramahamsa Nityananda has been placed alongside Dalai Lama, Nelson Mandela, Oprah Winfrey, Paulo Coelho and others by Mind, Body, Spirit, the world's top esoteric magazine from Watkins, London's oldest and largest bookstore. A yogi by birth, he has been expressing his power of enlightenment since birth. He has authored more than 500 books in Tamil and English. Translations of these books are available in 26 languages in Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Hindi, Sanskrit, Gujarati, Oriya, Bengali, Marathi, French, Malay, Polish, Portuguese, Italian, German, Danish, Spanish, Russian and Chinese. He is also an exemplary speaker with over 10,000 hours of profound life solutions through his discourses. Social services such as Annadan, free medical care, free educational services with ashrams, schools, temples, hospitals established in more than 140 places around the world, offering exceptional services. A powerful spiritual healer who has healed millions of people of diseases from migraine to cancer. A Kriya Yogi who has formulated Kriyas for physical health and mental well-being, benefiting thousands. A living master who offers practical solutions for our everyday problems. He is the founder and spiritual head of Nityananda Dhyanapitham. A spiritual powerhouse who has revived the sacred Vedic tradition by establishing Vedic temples in places like Los Angeles, San Jose, Seattle, Toronto, Ohio, Oklahoma, Phoenix, St. Louis, Malaysia, Brazil, Paris, Guadeloupe, Dallas, New York, New Jersey, Atlanta, Calgary, Vancouver, Singapore, and places in India like Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Tiruvannamalai. A spiritual guru for 10 million followers, an incarnation who transmits the highest spiritual energy through initiation, a contemporary yogi who has revived the Vedic science of yoga worldwide through thousands of yoga centers, an adept in Ashtamahasiddhis, mystical yogic powers, who has effortlessly awakened the Kundalini of thousands and graced them with spiritual powers, a dynamic young guru who is an inspiration for thousands of youngsters. India's most watched spiritual guru online, a beacon of spiritual light who has triumphed over the forces of religious terrorism and political persecution. Paramahamsa Nityananda is an eternal Kalpataru, blessing the world with the boons of material abundance and spiritual enlightenment. He is the 293rd pontiff of the world's most ancient Hindu organization, Madurai Adinam.
Nityanandaya swagatam Anandanubhavaswadam Sarvaroga nivarakam Vande papa vinashaktam Nityanandaya swagatam Nityamuktam nirvikalpam Dhyanaloka pradipakam Vande shantamayam bandham